Na nababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank MLK+T Cafè or the Milk+T Cafè for sending us this Cali Maki California Roll family tray. Mind you guys, this is less than 1,000 pesos. And it can accommodate between 6 to 8 persons as an alternative to a pizza or a baked macaroni. Since this is becoming a trend, you can also get your selfie, mga ganyan, and while you are doing it. So the family tray comes with the nori wrapper, of course. While we are eating this, guys, let me give you a brief background about MLK+T. So they are one of the popular milk tea chain dito sa Pampanga. Also one of the oldest, no? One of the oldest if I'm not mistaken, guys. Alright, so this is the second try. Okay. Alright, so last bite before I bid you farewell, guys. Let's try another one. So, look at this. So again, guys, pwede rin naman na diretso yung scoop mo from the pan and then, you know, just directly eat it without the nori wrapper. Depende sa gusto mo yun. But anyway, so let's try it for the third time. Oh wow. Oh wow. Whoa. Oh man, that was really heavy. So there you have it, guys. Again, we would like to introduce another sushi pan readily available for delivery or orders. It's an alternative to your, you know, regular pizza or a baked mac, mga ganyan, probably spaghetti pans. This is becoming popular. This is becoming a trend right now. And if you're interested to try one, make sure to check out from MLK+T. We're gonna be flashing the Facebook fan page you need to contact, or the number flashing on your screens right now you need to call for orders and deliveries and other, you know, inquiries. So there you have it, guys. We would like to thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on our next video. I'm still gonna enjoy this with my family, so hope to see you again. Bye bye.